All right, Theraband. Muscles that flex and extend the elbow. Start with the biceps brachii, two heads. The long head is the head that goes through that intertubercular groove to the supraglenoid tubercle, top of the scapula, through the groove. And then the short head, the coracoid process, the two heads converge to attach to that radial tuberosity and the proximal radius. So hopefully you can see terrific elbow flexor. Hopefully you can see shoulder flexor because the two heads originate on the scapula across the anterior glenohumeral joint. And when the forearm is pronated, and the elbows flex, the biceps will take the radius off the ulna, so supination, musculocutaneous nerve. And I'm going to let you do the nerve roots. Underneath the biceps brachii is the brachialis, so the middle of the shaft of the anterior humerus over to that coronoid process and ulnar tuberosity. It is not influenced by forearm pronation, supination. It attaches to the ulna. It is an elbow flexor, but I can't feel it. I have to feel it along the sides of the bicep. Remember how we palpated the gastrocnemius and soleus? Soleus along the sides of the gastrocnemius. The third elbow flexor, brachioradialis, so lateral supracondylar ridge down to the styloid. And for this one, I got to put the forearm in neutral. So neutral, this is neutral. And then it is an elbow flexor, you can see that. But not very active if the forearm is either supinated or pronated. Okay? Radial nerve, brachialis, musculocutaneous nerve. And then the elbow extensor, Mr. Triceps. Okay, three heads. Let's look at the long head. Infraglenoid tubercle of the scapula down to the olecranon. So you got it. Yep, it's a weak shoulder extensor. Its main job in life is elbow extension. Then you have the lateral and medial. So all three heads to the olecranon. Powerful elbow extensor. Long head, shoulder extensor. Infraglenoid tubercle down to the olecranon. Radial nerve. Pretty easy to palpate those elbow flexors and extensors.